You asked, how to divide 12,672 by 7 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 12. 12 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Bring down 6, making 56. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. 8 times 7 equals 56. 56 minus 56 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 7 equals 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 1810 remainder 2.